In one of our previous videos, we mentioned that the human mind can be conceptualized into three different levels: the conscious mind, the subconscious mind, and the superconscious mind. In that same video, we mentioned that about 95% of the time we operate in our subconscious mind. Now, are you aware that the subconscious mind does not judge and does not know whether something is true or false? Yes. So you can brainwash yourself to be a good person or a bad person depending on what you impress upon the subconscious mind. Now, the subconscious mind doesn't accept things for the first time, probably not even up to the 10th time. But when you keep repeating it over and over and over and over again, and it creates that impression to your subconscious mind that this body or this being wants this, it gets registered and it begins to inform the way you do your things. Okay, so you can brainwash yourself to become any kind of person you want. You can brainwash yourself to become the most confident person. You can brainwash yourself to become the most productive person. You can brainwash yourself to become the wisest person. It all boils down to repeating the kind of information you like to yourself. And that is what people call the affirmation. Okay, you can write down something that you want to be and repeat it over and over and over again to yourself, and you cannot help but to register it into your subconscious mind. And in 95% of the time, the information that has been impressed is going to determine how you do your things. Follow for more.